my name is Ethan, and it's time for Kitchen Adventures. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite breakfast dishes, French toast bake. This would be good for Christmas, Easter, Mother's Day, or any other special occasion that you want to do most of the work the night before so you don't have too much to do in the morning. It's really yummy and it's one of our family favorites. You'll need 1 loaf of bread, we used about 3/4 of it, 8 eggs, 2 cups of milk, half a cup heavy whipping cream, 3/4 of a cup white sugar, 2 tablespoons vanilla, half a cup flour, half a cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and a half cup of butter. Grease a 9 by 13 inch pan, tear the bread into small chunks and place them in the greased pan. Combine eggs, milk, cream, vanilla, and sugar. You could use a hand mixer, but I like to use a whisk. Blend it really well and continue to stir until the sugar is dissolved. Pour the mixture evenly over the bread. Then push the bread down so it gets nice and soggy from the egg mixture. Cover with saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator overnight. In another bowl, add flour, cinnamon, salt, and brown sugar. Mix it well and then add a cup of butter. Chop the butter and work it until the batter looks like sand or pebbles, like this. Store this in the fridge overnight. In the morning, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Take your pan with the soaking bread and sprinkle the crumb mixture on top. Put it in the oven and set your timer for 45 minutes. It'll look like this after 45 minutes. If you like soggy French toast, then take it out now. If you want it more firm, leave it in a little longer. Let it cool and then serve with maple syrup and fruit. That looks good. That's it, it's delicious. Treat your family to a scrumptious breakfast. I'm sure you'll love it. You can find other videos over here. Remember to subscribe to the QuadSquad channel. Thanks for watching our video. Bye.